The topic of today's video is how to buy crypto with a credit card on crypto.com. So let me show you where you can find it. First thing we want to do is head over to buy on the left hand side here. Next, we're going to choose whatever crypto we want to buy. Then we're going to put in the amount of said crypto. And now here for me where it says buy with Google, we want to click on that. And we want to move over to cash. And here you'll find debit or credit card. And all you need to do is click on set up. If you've set it up already, you'll just have the option to pay. And then we need to fill in all our credit card details. There will be a small charge, which they will, I believe, refund. Oh, it's an authorization hold. My apologies. Anyway, then you'll just click on add card, and where it says Google Pay here for me, it'll then have my credit card or debit card. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing. Do keep in mind that this is not any type of financial advice. Any losses you occur with cryptocurrency are fully on you. I'll see you in the next video.